Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, for some people, it might feel like 30 days is too short. But trust me, using these activities, you can actually become fluent even in 15 or 20 days. Yes, so in this case, 30 days is more than enough. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 7 daily habits that you have to follow for the next 30 days consistently. Don't skip a single day and don't skip a single thing from your routine. Okay, so I'll jump into the video. First, listen to English. This is the simplest and most powerful thing. You just have to listen to English every day for at least 30 minutes. Okay, and you can listen to anything, stories, podcasts, interviews, or even a web series. You can listen to anything because the goal is to get your ears used to English. Okay, and don't worry if you don't understand every single word, just keep listening because your brain is learning automatically. Second, write useful sentences. Now, when you listen to English, you will hear a lot of useful lines. Yes, I'm talking about those daily life sentences that people actually use. So don't miss them. Just write those useful lines in your notebook and try to use them in your daily life. Try to use them in your daily conversation. Okay, whenever you are speaking English, just try to use them. Third, read a book out loud. Take any English book, it could be a story book or a motivational one, okay? And read it for 30 minutes every day. Fine, but remember, read out loud. When you read out loud, you're not just reading, you're training your tongue, you're training your pronunciation, and you're training your flow, okay? And trust me, you'll start noticing a huge difference in your clarity, but after a few days, at least maybe after 10 days. Fourth, shadowing practice. And this is one of my favorite activities. Okay, you just have to do shadowing for at least 15 minutes every day. Okay, it simply means copying an English speaker and you have to repeat exactly what they say at the same time and in the same tone. Okay, it might feel funny at first, but this is one of the best ways to train your mouth and sound more natural. Fifth, expand your vocabulary. Learn at least one new word, and when you come across a new word, just write it on your hand along with its meaning. You can write here or anywhere you can see easily. Okay, and keep looking at it throughout the day again and again so you don't miss that word and you don't forget it. And most importantly, try to use that word while you speak English. All right. Sixth, record yourself speaking. Okay, I know this might feel uncomfortable at first, but I'm telling you, this is a game changer. So what you have to do is every day just pick a one topic like my favorite movie or how I spend my day or what makes me happy, just anything like this, and record a speech of 3 minutes. You have to speak for at least 3 minutes and you have to record yourself and listen to your video, listen to your voice and fix your mistakes also. Okay, before I move to the seventh point, I want to promise with you guys, and I'm really serious about this, really serious. Okay, let me tell you that which promise you have to make. If you complete all your 7 daily habits in a day, just come back to this video and comment, I completed day 1, I completed day 2, just like this. It will motivate others who read your comments. So promise me, once you finish your 7 daily habits, you will come here and write your day number, okay? And I'll be waiting for your comments. Seventh, journal before sleeping. Before you sleep, just take 10 minutes and write in your journal or write in your notebook. Write what you did today, what you learned, what new word you used, or write how you practiced English. Okay, and for the first 10 days you can write short sentences and it's totally fine, but after that you have to explain things in detail. Okay, it will help you to improve your English faster. So that's it for today's video. So if you want to speak fluently in English, just start following these 7 daily habits for the next 30 days, and I'm telling you, you will see a massive improvement in your English. I'm telling you. So if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video, and I'll be waiting for your comments, your pyare comments. And one more thing, if you miss a day, just don't give up and don't overthink. Just get back on the track and keep going, keep improving. Don't overthink and start from today. Okay, bye bye.